Hey guys, welcome back to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create Google Meet link. Alright, let's get started. So here you can see I am on my browser right now. So next what you have to do is go to the search tab and then search for Google Meet. And once you do that, here you can see we have the Google Meet website. Now what you have to do is click on this website, then it will redirect to this page over here, and then here you can see various options, and among those options here you can see we have the option of new meeting. And if you have a meeting link, what you can do is just paste it over here, but since we are creating the meeting link, what you have to do is click on this new meeting. And now what you have to do is we have some three options that is provided. First one is create meeting link for later, second is start and instant meeting, then third one is schedule in Google Calendar. So let's start an instant meeting. So if you do that, the meeting link will be created, but it will open my camera as well. So let me do that. Okay, fine. It did not open my camera, but here you go. So here you can see our instant meeting is generated. Now the link is on our tab. So what you have to do is copy this link, and if you want to share it, just copy this link, and this is our meeting code, and then just paste it over here, and that's it. This is how you can create Google Meet link. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.